What kind of student would take woodworking? I see three different types of students taking woodworking. One, somebody who's never taken it before and is just looking for that new experience. Want some experience on hand tools, possibly machines. Second type of student that would be interested would be the creative student, somebody who's into creation, design, building things with their hands. And thirdly, the students that are looking to take this maybe into a career such as carpentry or cabinet maker. Get the experience here from grade 8 right up to grade 12. We have woodworking at all different levels and all different experiences. And taking those courses on and possibly getting something post-secondary or more training after they graduate high school.
I would recommend woodworking. It's very fun. You can be super creative in that room. You can do whatever you want.
There's a lot of different things that you get to do and you get to bring home to your family and friends, which is really fun.